All right, so what we're going to do is we are on our way to North Carolina, and we've set up our trip in the Rivian, and we have 2 charging stop locations. So one is in South Carolina in Greenville, and the other is in Charlotte, North Carolina. The interesting thing about this is that they're positioned about 2 hours apart each time we stop, which is great. Make sure that we have enough charging capacity, and it even gives you an estimate how many miles you have left in your charge when you arrive. All right, great. So we just activated the self-driving feature in Rivian, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show that it works. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's really more like a lane assist. And all you do is you double click on the lever on the right, and you can see that it's activated, so it keeps you in the lane, and it slows down if necessary if the car
in 1 mile
in front of you,
stay on Interstate 85 north.
The car in front of you slows down. So it doesn't change lanes or anything like that, so it's not like a Tesla full self-driving, but it does work pretty well, and it keeps a good solid distance in front of the car. What I also like is that they added a software update, so you can change lanes now and it'll stay on. I didn't realize that. So what happens is, I gotta keep my hands on the wheel. So what happens is if you turn the left blinker on, it'll allow you to change lanes without turning off the self-driving feature. All right, let's go ahead and power up. So it's gonna power up the Rivian, and we are at the first stop. Let's go here. All right, fast charging. Let's see how fast it actually is. Oh, not close enough. Okay, so we just set up the charger, and yeah, let's just see how fast it actually is. Is it charging? All right, so we are setting up the charger at the Rivian charging station. We're at 37%, 21 minutes to go, and yeah. We know we're good because we got the animation going. It's nice and green. All plugged in. Right, babe?
Right.
Okay. And yep. All right. We'll be back.
So we are at the Greenville, South Carolina, and the Rivian charging network got us up to 74%. All right, so this is our stop in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are at the Adventure Park. Right now we are starting out at 42% and 138 miles. So we are gonna go charge and run an errand over to the Target. There's plenty of shopping here and restaurants and stores. So if you need to charge here, this would be a good pit stop for you. All right, guys, we just ran into Target, picked up some water, but we just want to let you know the results. So right now we're at 261 miles, which is at 80%. And you guys see everything right there on the screen. So we are about to take off.
Bye.
See ya at the next stop. little cords are heavy. Alright, so I just plugged in and my battery is at 24%. And we are going to come back and check in about 10 minutes or so. We're not trying to be here long, but just wanted to show you the Henderson, North Carolina charging station. Not much going on here. It's right off of the Interstate 85, so that's a plus. But as far as the location, it's just in a very not busy shopping center. They do have a Starbucks behind those trees. That's probably the newest thing in this shopping center. Of course, there's fast food here and not much else. Subway. But then you can hear 85 over here on the other side of these trees. So it's right off of Interstate 85. So it's very convenient if you are driving from Virginia through North Carolina on Interstate 85. Also, this one has chargers over here on the left side, and then it has a few other stations over there. So that's what's going on in Henderson. So these are open to all electric vehicles, not just Rivians. They have a longer cord. They have a longer cord as opposed to the Rivian chargers. Just have, the cord is just short enough for our vehicle. Okay, we hung out in Starbucks for about 30 minutes, so we're about to leave.